So Earth is rotating at about a speed of 500 meter per second on its axis, and it is rotating ever since it came into an existence. Look, Earth is not a perfect sphere. It is somewhat flattened, and every object that is rotating on its axis is more or less flattened because of the centrifugal forces. So Earth completes one rotation in about 24 hours, whereas Saturn completes one rotation in about 10.5 hours. That means the rotational speed of Saturn is much higher than that of Earth. And that is the reason why Saturn looks much more flattened than that of Earth. So there is a maximum limit for the rotation rate of a planet or an asteroid before it breaks apart due to its own centrifugal forces. So, if we assume that a planet is held together only by the force of gravity, then we can approximate a formula for the maximum rotation rate of a planet or an asteroid. Let us suppose that this is a planet or an asteroid of mass m and radius r, and here is a test mass of a small m, and we know that the for minimum rotation period, we know that for minimum rotation time period, that gmm upon r square, that is the gravitational force, is equal to the centrifugal force, cancelling nmm. Okay, so gm upon r square is equal to v square by r, and we know that the time period is equal to 2 pi r upon v. So putting this, gm upon r square is equal to 4 pi square r upon t square. So calculating for t is equal to 2 pi under root r cube by gm. Now we know that mass and density are related. Rho is equal to mass upon 4 by 3 pi r cube. So putting the value of mass here, t is equal to, t is come out to be under root 3 pi by 0. So 3 pi is a constant, g is a constant. So time period, the minimum rotation time period depends on the density of a planet or an asteroid or an object. So if we know the density of that object, we can calculate the minimum rotation period. So in case of an asteroids, the mean terrestrial rocks density is taken to be 2700 kilogram per meter cube. So the minimum rotation period is come out to be 2 hours. So that asteroid of density this can rotate minimum in a period of 2 hours only. And in case of terrestrial planets like that of Earth, Earth, Mars, Mercury and Venus, the density is about 4000 kilogram per meter cube to 5000 kilogram per meter cube. And if we know the density of the planet, we can calculate the minimum rotation period of the planet. So if a planet rotates once taking less time than this minimum rate, minimum time, then it will break down because of the centrifugal forces.